Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like Taboola ads or other like that software from your Samsung Galaxy A03. So to start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways, by the system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps, and in the first step, just check all the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before, something with strange name, just any unwanted app, just tap on it and click on install. Click OK and go back to the apps. Now in the second step, look for your web browser, in my case it's Chrome, then go to the storage and choose manage storage. Now choose clear all data and click OK. After that your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download an antivirus app. I'm always using Avast. Decide that you want to get notification, I don't need to, and click get started. Now click next and skip. Then close to ads and click continue as free. Now tap on the start scan and add the permissions. So click allow and tap on this switcher. Go back to the app and choose scan type. I always prefer to use the deep scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software, viruses, malwares should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.